Hello guys, welcome to my channel and to a new video. This is part 3 in the series of recreating the best of CLIPCHAMP online video editor using Filmora. Every video creator needs the best effects, graphics, and as many as we can have. But then you may not get all of them in a specific video editing software being ready to use, which means they can be ready to use in another video editing software. Yet in another software you will need to create them yourself. That's what we are doing in these series. Looking the best ready to use in CLIPCHAMP video editor and create them in Filmora. And in this video we have this nice transition called thirds. So if you haven't watched part 1 and 2 of these series, you can check out this link that is popping up on the screen right now, and I will also leave them links in the description. Here is CLIPCHAMP video editor. I will leave a link in the description. So you can press here to import your files. After you have imported, your files will show here at your media. You can drag and drop your files into the timeline. Then if you scroll down this here you will see transitions. And right here we are taking this one. Let's see how it looks like. And this is how it looks. Let's go back and start creating them. Drag and drop your 2 files. So on this transition effect, we are dealing with one video. Move it to a track above. Then go mask and select the double line. Copy this video and paste it on the track above. Again, paste it on the above track, the track number 4. Now we want to customize these videos in a way that each will occupy 1/3 of the total space. So we come to mask properties. On the first video, set the X position to -73, Y to 0 and width to 41.40. On the middle video, set the X 1.8, Y -14.1 and width 40.80. On the last video mask, X 73.8, Y -13.4, then width on 38.86. After this you will see that the videos have occupied each about 1/3 of the total screen. Now after this, let's do the animation, starting with the middle video. Add a keyframe and set the Y to 350. Then use your keyboard arrow, count 7 clicks. Then go and reset the Y position. From the starting point of the middle, make one move with the keyboard arrow, then let the video on top start from there. Then add a keyframe on it, set the Y position to -350. Again count 7 moves with the keyboard right arrow, because the duration of all keyframes must be the same. Then reset the Y position. And also, from the starting point of the middle, make 5 moves with the keyboard arrow, then lets the video on down start from there. Add a keyframe and set the Y to 350. Again count 7 moves, then reset the Y position. Let's check the preview. Our transition is done. Well guys, what do you say with these series? Leave your comment. If you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Let's meet in the next tutorial.